Simple lang po. Hindi po to rocket science. In the Bible, in Genesis chapter 41, verse 34, it says, Joseph, this is what he did. Sabi niya kay Pharaoh, let the king appoint officers over the land who should take what? 1/5 of all the food that is grown during the 7 good years. So ano daw? Kukunin, isi-set aside, isi-save yung 1/5. Ano yung 1/5 in terms of percentage? Ha? Sino nagsasabing 20%? Ha? Sino nagsasabing hindi 20%? Ha? Okay, 20% po yun. Okay. 1/5 is 20%. So yun po yung formula. So sabi ni Joseph, Pharaoh, itabay po natin 20%. I-save po natin yan. Because during the 7 years of plenty. Kasi may darating na 7 years of what? Famine. Tagutom. Tapos ano nangyari? Sila lang ang merong pagkain. Sila lang ang nakapag-impok. Kaya ang daming pupunta sa Egypt that time. Because of Joseph's wisdom. So, save 20% every month. So that until the time that you have at least 6 to 12 months of overhead. Para kayong Egypt. Kundi, para kayong mga ibang bansa na nagpupunta sa Egypt at namamalimos.